Welcome, Pleasant View Children's Ministry team. This is Pastor Jason, and welcome to anyone else who finds this video useful. This is going to be a brief tutorial on how to use and set up the Kidmin Hero app. There are two ways to go as a children's ministry team member in working with the Kidmin app. One is assuming that you do not have your own children in the system, that you are just a volunteer. And one assumes that you are a volunteer and you have children of your own that are involved in children's ministry. So if you have no children of your own that are in children's ministry, then you need to follow the link that I sent you in an email inviting you to the Kidmin app. And then you can set up an account that way and download the Kidmin Hero app. Kidmin Hero is what this video focuses on. It's a slim application that does not have all of the managing your own children functions. If you do have children in children's ministry and are also a volunteer, then again, follow the link that I sent you to set up an account. And then instead of downloading Kidmin Hero, download the regular Kidmin app. This video does not tell you how to set up an account with Kidmin if you have children. If you do have kids, stop this video now. Go back and watch the other one for parents. Set it up that way, and then come back and finish watching this video to see how the team member functions work within Kidmin Hero. This is what the email that I sent you looks like. Again, please do not start the process with Kidmin Hero app without having first set up an account. Follow the link I emailed you. If you can't find it, let me know. I'll send it to you again. Once you've created an account with Kidmin, then you can download the app. So again, there are two versions of the app. There's Kidmin, this one, that lets you work with your own children and also be a volunteer. If you have kids, again, watch the parent video and set that part up with your children and then finish the process by watching this one. This video focuses on Kidmin Hero. Again, this is a smaller piece of software. It cannot manage your own kids. It only helps you function as a member of the team. After you have downloaded Kidmin Hero and open it up, you will be greeted with this login screen. Again, do not begin here if you have not created an account already. You're going to just enter your credentials that you created when you created your account online after you followed my email. Have I said that enough times? Once you log in, you'll be greeted by this screen. At the top, it tells you how many kids are checked in and how many kids have already checked out. The rosters that are here will be visible if you're in service. If you're not, then you log into the app and it just says there's nothing going on. Go away. But while we're in children's ministry, you'll see this screen. At the bottom, there's two buttons. There's the class roster button and the tag scanner button. The class roster button brings up the list of the classes that are currently going on and how many kids are in each of them. If you want to see which kids are in a class, then you just touch that class's label. So if you're the Kids Action Club Pre-K leader, then you can just click on that and it will bring up the kids that are in class. Okay? So currently there's 3 people. Hey, look, they've all got the same last name. Isn't that funny? But it's got 3 kids in one class, 3 kids, same family, same. Wow. Anyway, here they are. If you wanted to know more about one of the children in particular, you can just touch that kid's name and up comes their picture. 2 marvelous buttons that are here. One is Page Parent. If you need to get a hold of Billy Bob's parents because Billy Bob is messing around, then you can pull him up on the roster and click Page Parent, and Billy Bob's dad gets a text saying your child needs you, go to class. And it's marvelous. We have used this and it works well. The other button is the checkout. There are actually 3 ways to check out children. One of them is this button right here. So use the roster to pull the kid up, then hit checkout, and that'll get that done. If you want a little more information on the child, you can scroll down and it'll tell you things like allergies. If the parents have entered any special notes at check-in, they're there. There's a picture of the dad and their cell phone number, or the mom, sorry, whichever parent has entered the information is there. And so you can see that you're checking the kid out to the right person. If there's any siblings, you'll know that, and some recent history is there as well. The second function at the bottom of the screen for the Kidmin Hero app is this tag scanner, and that is awesome. So if you click that button, you will discover that the first time you do it, it asks you permission, can I use your camera? And you've got to say, yes, let's do that. So you'll hit scan tag. And then it will use the camera of your phone to become a scanner. Kudos to whoever made this part of the app. It is a super active, very good scanner. I tried to take a picture, a screenshot of this QR code in the thing so it would look like you're scanning, but as soon as I brought the QR code in, it pulled up the child's information. So it's very fast, it's very active, it's a great, great scanner. So you scan the kid's tag. This is probably not on your desk, it's probably on the kid. And then up will come their information, just like you had pushed on their name for the roster. So if you scanned Mary Jo's tag, there's Mary Jo. And again, you can do the same two things with this information that you did when you pulled up the information on the roster. You can either page the parent or you can check them out. So this is the second way to check out children, is to scan their tag and then hit checkout when the information comes up. And again, you can scroll down and get the same information about allergies, parent notes, see the parent's picture, all that kind of good stuff. Now, you can also scan tag on a parent's claim ticket, which is another way to check kids out of the system. So the way to do that is you scan the tag that the parent brings in. Or on the parent app, they can actually pull up the QR code on their phone, so they don't have to worry about the sticker. You can scan that QR code too. Either way, it brings up the parent's information. So there's some funny looking guy. And it brings up the kids that he has all together. So if you've got all the kids in one room, you can check them all out at one time. Scan the parent's tag. Here's all the kids. Hit checkout. And then that brings up, or that'll check out all the children at one time. So those are the two functions that the Kidmin Hero app has, the roster function and the scan tags function. If you are part of the children's ministry team in the check-in and check-out team, there's one more video that you need to watch that trains you how to use the desktop and kiosk applications. Otherwise, other children's ministry team members, you're done. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.